Hey everyone, it's Paola with WTI.
As someone new to gardening, I did not have any of the tools, and I'm really happy that I found this complete set from FANHAO. It includes 3 gardening tools: the transplanter, the trowel, and the little hand rake. This little rake is my favorite tool because it just tears through everything. I don't really have to put any effort anymore. I can just use this and know that it'll clear everything out for me. And the trowel and transplanter are both very heavy duty and will not bend under pressure. And I really love that it's easy to just rinse because they're anti-rust. And speaking about rinsing, the hose head that comes in this set is beautiful. It is made out of a zinc alloy body, and it is high pressure, it's full metal joints, and it's an ergonomic handle. It has 7 adjustable patterns, and it will fit any 3/4 inch garden hose thread. So if you are looking for a gardening set or maybe a gift for someone that loves to garden, this is a great quality set to gift to them.
And that's my point of view.